What's up guys, Aiden here, Aiden on Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, got some stepping stones going in, new beds being cut. We're gonna do a stepping stone walkway back through here and get all this edged out, mulched up, kind of follow our line, get that all cleaned up, make this space a little bit more useful. So that should be awesome. Came here earlier in the week, got it all painted out for us. I cut back some bushes, some grasses, some red buds, I think these are. Get this all cleaned up, take care of some of these low-hanging branches on these trees, get it all cleaned up. So got Sam here getting it done. Yes sir. Getting those rings a little bit bigger. Matthew, how we doing? There we go. So stick along, we'll kind of show you the process, and yeah, let's do it. Expanded those beds out. Tree rings edged. What'd you say?
Waters by chance?
We have to go back to my house to get them. Look at this setup, man. We got portable battery, charging the camera, so I'm recording and charging at the same time.
That's fantastic. It's quick and
Look at this, man. Looking good. Rose bush, all cleaned up and tidy. Getting a fat load of rocks out of here. what'd you guys think of that? I thought it turned out pretty good after we wrapped it up, which present day was about a week ago. I think it turned out really, really well. Basically, what we went ahead and did there is installed the stepping stone walkway, which you saw. They were 2-foot irregular gray stepping stones. I thought they looked really nice with that project and looked really nice curving around and going back towards that deck. Let me know what you thought down in the comments down below. But other than that, we went ahead and cleaned up, pruned, edged, trimmed, did all that stuff to the whole property. I think it made the property really pop since it hasn't been mulched in a really long time. And under the deck, we cut a new bed so that space can be used to store stuff or put chairs, whatever, and you're not walking in muddy dirt. So it's a little bit more appealing under there, which I think was a good choice for both us, the homeowner, the client. They wanted to do rock, but unfortunately when we went ahead and talked to the HOA about that, they said no rock, because if those rocks somehow make it out into the grass and they get hit by a lawnmower, it's a liability issue with the landscape company that cuts in that neighborhood. If they hit one of those rocks and it blows up and hits somebody's deck or hits a window, you know how it is. But anyway, we did mulch, cut a new bed, put a little curve on it just so it didn't look as plain and boring as, you know, sometimes they do if you just straighten it out along the deck. Went ahead and mulched that up. We put fabric underneath of it just in case that mulch gets washed out. There's still something there before you see bare dirt. I'm not really concerned about weeds under there because of the sunlight, but on the one side we did dig out some of the grass and edged it out because there was grass there. But yeah, super simple. We did it in about 8 hours total. The majority of it was basically running around picking up materials and moving around before we even got to working and that kind of stuff. So other than that, it was pretty simple, pretty straightforward. I was happy with it, and so was the client. So if you guys like these kind of videos, more to come, plenty of projects to do this year. You guys are going to be in tune for a lot of stuff this year. So if you like these kind of videos, hit the subscribe button down below. Stick along. We got plenty coming for you guys. If you have any other questions, leave them in the box down below. But with that, I'm Aiden from Maison Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.